I would say this is the place that I feel the closest to him.
My dad actually found it. He's like, you're never gonna lose this view because nobody's gonna build that hill. It was meant to be a sanctuary. My mom and I spend so much of the time traveling. It felt like a home base to be connected to. It's definitely different without him here, but like I said, it's the place where I feel the most connected to him. It's kind of hard to feel that anywhere else.
My dad took this. This was in South Korea. A lot of the photographers get like similar shots because they're all standing in the same area, but like he knew when to take the picture. When everyone else put their camera down, he'd keep his up, and I'd inevitably make some face or do something, and he'd get that shot.
Photographs capture moments, and for nearly 25 years, Michaela Schifrin shared too many moments to count with her father. Whether he was behind or in front of the camera, Jeff was always there. Over the last 2 years, the moments have continued to take place. Family vacations, weddings, and now another Olympic Games. And while Michaela will never forget who's missing from those moments, the home she built with her father, he's never far away.
He really did always have a camera around his neck. It was not that easy to find pictures of him. He was the one who's taking the pictures. So.
Yeah, this one is just a good smile and his little chipped tooth. So, I don't know, just some of the, like, we wanted to feel his presence, and sometimes it's hard to force that, but just like, we want to see him and make him feel like he's here, so that's nice.